Okay, let's have a look at another one. You tell me the approach. Okay, here's a nice one.
Okay, yeah, it's linear. Okay, yeah, so you're gonna use all three to basically to calculate.
Yeah, this is a what do they call this? This is a solve for x. This is when you have three variables. Okay, where you have
Yeah,
three separate linear equations solve for x.
yeah.
Okay. Do you want to try this one because they always give you one like this? We've seen a lot. Every paper we've seen one. Do you want to try this
Okay.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you want to do it? Do you want to do it together? Do you want to do it separate, and then you want to just check?
Yeah, we can do it together, or I can just I can maybe just tell you what to do, or
Okay. All right. Tell me what to do.
okay. So first of all, you're probably gonna write all three of them next to each other, like
Okay.
you
Yeah.
always do.
All right. So we've got all three of them there. Now what?
Yeah. And then you're gonna put them in the format that you require, so that you can plug them into the other equations.
Yeah. So you wanna find something that you can substitute to get rid of
Yeah.
the variable.
Yes.
So what
Yeah.
would you wanna substitute? Which of those equations are you gonna start with?
Probably with the first one.
The first one.
Or okay, with the last one.
With the
Obviously, yeah.
last
If you want
one.
to substitute, in, you're going to start with the last one.
Okay. So what do you want to do with the
Yes.
last one?
Okay, so let's first get R. So
You
we're
want to
going
get
to
R.
move R to the left-hand side.
R to the left hand side. It is on the left.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so keep it on the left-hand side.
Okay.
Or you're going to probably, if you can, probably try and get it positive. Or
Okay.
does that not matter?
So what do you want to do? Tell me what you want to do.
Okay, so move it to the right-hand side so that it's 2R. Okay, and then I'm going to move the 2 also to the left-hand side. So 2Q minus 2.
Okay, perfect. And then?
Okay, and then I'll probably divide everything by 2. Okay, so then you're going to end up with Q. Minus 1. So so then you've got R. So then you can basically plug that into the second one.
Second
Yeah.
one. Only the second one.
Yes. You're gonna in the first one as well, yeah. Both of them, yes.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Okay, so you're saying put it into that one and that one. So okay, so
yes.
number one.
Okay, so okay, number 2.
Okay, and then?
So now I'll probably first do the second one. So then I'll try and get Q on the left-hand side.
Okay, so multiply all out, eh? Okay, tell me what to
Okay.
do. It's P plus.
Okay, so are we gonna? Okay, first try maybe get Q on the left-hand side and move. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. Let's just multiply first. Okay, so P. So plus that will become 2Q plus Q, so that will become 3Q. Okay, and plus 2 minus 1, so that will become minus 2 equals 0.
Okay,
Okay, so
perfect.
and then, yeah. So then,
And then
okay,
at the
so
top.
then, yeah. Okay, so minus P, yeah. So plus 2Q, that's, yeah, plus 3Q, minus 2 equals 8.
Okay, good. Okay, so
Yeah.
now you can. Now what are you gonna do?
Okay, so then the bottom one, I'll try and get the Q on the left-hand side.
Q on the
Okay,
left
so
hand side. So you're
3Q.
gonna leave the Q on this side.
Yes, yeah. 3Q equals, so 2 minus P.
Good. And then?
Okay, divide both sides with 3. Q equals minus, 2 minus P over 3.
Okay, now
Okay,
what?
so then, so now we've got a Q that, we can substitute into that one.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to have here, we're going to have minus P plus 3, open brackets, 2
Yeah.
minus P over 3 minus 2 equals 8.
Yep.
Okay, now what? How do we multiply this out? What do we
Okay,
get
so
here?
first of all, the 2 3's cancels out, so that 3 will become a 1. Okay,
Good.
yeah, so then it's, okay, then you can, so it's minus P plus 2 minus P. So that will become minus 2P.
Good. Okay, so minus 2P plus
Yeah.
2 minus
Plus
2
2
is?
is 0 equals 8.
Okay, so what is P?
Okay, so P is going to be minus 4.
Perfect. Let's check if that's
Yeah.
right. Let's see. Okay, I think I might have done it similar. Yeah, P is minus 4. Perfect. Okay, then obviously you'd work
Okay.
out Q and work out R. Well done.
Oh, thank you.
Good job. Okay, you had the right P. If you've got the right P, that's the hard part. The hard part is trying to get one of the variables. So I actually done it a bit differently, but you can see you still get the same answer. I
Okay.
worked out R first, then I worked out Q, then I got P. So P was the last one I got, but you can see it doesn't matter how you do it. This was a different method, but you still got the same answer. P minus 4, that's the answer. That's
Okay.
what you want. Okay, happy with this one?
Yep.